This is a video of our gym, and I have been at this school since kindergarten. Our gym space is really important to us. It's a space where we can run and play, but right now we need new upgrades in the gym.
Gym is extremely important. Physical activity is important, so we love that students are able to engage 45 minutes a day in physical activity. It's extremely important that as we are learning about ELA and math and science and social studies, that there are opportunities for students to learn about their body and motion and physical sports.
I like gym because we get to play different sports and do activities. We like to build houses with the gymnastics mats and play basketball.
A gym is important because, one, I see the whole school. I know everybody's name here. It's important to be physically fit and active, and all that supports a great learning environment.
I like gym class because it's kind of like an extra recess.
Being at this school for 6 years, there haven't been many changes aside from the rock wall. Currently, the floor's paint is scratched up, there's not a wide enough variety of equipment, and there's so much space we don't use. All that space could be filled with new, modern equipment. Your support equals our fun.
The gym needs a few upgrades. I've been here since the 8th graders were in kindergarten, and I watched them grow. We've added some things, a rock wall, and we added some acoustic tiles to help with the noise, but it would be nice to have an upgrade to our basketball goals and rims, and if we could have a volleyball net for our volleyball teams. Right now, we have a net tied to the basketball goals. And also, this used to be a cafeteria, and behind me, it used to be our kitchen. It would be great to have a sensory space for kids in our autistic support rooms, just to have a space for them where they can learn and take a break if things get too loud or too hectic in the gym. We've talked about adding a Lego wall, maybe like a trampoline floor, some mirrors.
I want the back room to be a trampoline room.
I think I would add some new floors. Add some color, maybe our logo in the middle of the basketball court, some new basketball nets, and that rock wall, I think that could definitely use a nice refresh.
Now we need your help to change our gym so that we can have a fun time every single day.